Game na, game na, game na, game na. Ataw na, ataw na. Ataw na.
Andal na oh.
Ataw na.
Positive dance.
Bakit may ganito pa?
Wala lang, triple.
Pound of flesh. I demand my pound of flesh will feed my revenge.
Sa akin ang tingin.
Mark my gains, score my patience, guard my bargains, hold my friends, hidden my enemies, and what is wisdom? Attitude. Your eyes and attitude and organs, dimensions, senses, affection, passion, fed with the same food, hurt with the same weapons, subject with the same resistance, filled with the same needs, warm and cold with the same winter and summer, as a t-shirt is.
Don't break us, do not bleed.
And if you wrong us, shall we not revenge? If we are right in the rest, we will assemble you in that. But you are suspicion, what is humility, revenge, and a Christian was a Jew.
What sufferance be by the Christian example?
Why?
The plainly you teach me, I was execute, and I'll go hard, but you will do better than instructions.
Revenge.